How to share FPL mini link invitation link. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can share FPL mini league invitation link or the code. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, head over to fantasy.premierleague.com. Make sure that you're signed in. Now head over to this menu bar on your interface. Head over to the leagues and cups. Once you're on the leagues and cups, scroll down and head over to Invitational Classic Leagues. There you have to select the league that you would like to share the code or invite or share the invitation link. Next to that, there is a small settings or gear like icon. Click on it. That's gonna take you to this piece. Here you could change the league's settings. Now to share, you have to click on invite players. Then you can copy the code right here and share the code to this league, or you could also click on copy auto link join, and then once you have copied the link, now you could share the link to the players to invite them to join your mini league or the league that you want to share. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.